And to end our news bulletin for today, an alternative shipping option will be discussed this week as importers and businesses struggle with freight prices and other business expenditures. Mr. Wayne Harris-Dorr, who previously visited Niue as part of the reef operation, but now with Jaws South Pacific, will discuss with stakeholders the best options and shipping methods that would benefit the island. Jaws South Pacific was formed to investigate the cost of commodities and transport to South Pacific countries. The company is owned by South Pacific-based investors headed by Wayne Harris-Dorr. The meeting for the discussions with stakeholders is scheduled for 5 p.m. tomorrow at the Niue Chamber of Commerce. We'll bring you more on that story in our future news bulletin. Hanado tola da wala tala tutupu ke la taya mea fifne na nofa mai mafala. That's our news bulletin for this evening. Good night.